Are you a teenager or an adult? This video is for you. My name is Ayuba Awat. I am a registered nurse and your health is my concern. Now, I'm here to talk to you about hepatitis B infection among teenagers and adults. Now, what is hepatitis B infection? Hepatitis B infection is an infection that affects the liver, which is caused by hepatitis B virus. Now, this virus causes inflammation of the liver, and if left untreated, it can further progress to scar in the liver, which is called cirrhosis, and even progress further to liver cancer. Now, according to World Health Organization, that is WHO, as of the year 2022, they said about 1.2 million people globally comes down with hepatitis B infection yearly. Nigeria is ranked third country where hepatitis B infection is high. Now, this is to tell you that the rate at which people come down with this infection is very high and it's a cause for concern. And that is why I choose this topic as a topic of discussion. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of this hepatitis B infection? Hepatitis B infection can remain in the body of an individual without showing any symptoms or signs. However, some people may have symptoms like loss of appetite, yellowish of the eyes and skin, nausea and vomiting. They may have also dark urine, fatty stool, severe tiredness, weakness of the body, weak immune system, and many more of them. So now, how is this virus transmitted from one person to another? You can get this infection through blood of a person who is infected, his bodily fluid, or even saliva. Now, how can it transmit infection to you? That is when you share sharp objects or even equipment with an infected person. You may be infected, or when you come in contact with the blood of the individual, and most especially you have an open wound in your body, you may be infected, even if it happens that you come in contact with the bodily fluid of the individual.
You can also get this infection from
unprotected sexual intercourse. Now, this is where I want to draw the attention of many of our teenagers and adults. Now, most of us engage in this multiple partnership or multiple relationship without knowing the status of our partners. Now, this is very risky. Is hepatitis B infection curable? No, hepatitis B infection is not curable. However, it is manageable. You can manage the infection to a lower level that it cannot affect your body. And also, early detection is better for much more improvement from the treatment. How can you prevent yourself from hepatitis B infection? The most safest way you can prevent yourself from hepatitis B virus is by getting vaccinated against the virus. Now, you can get these vaccines in the health care center close to you. You can get it in 3 doses: first dose, second dose, and third dose, which is the complete dose of the hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B infection may be in the body of an individual without showing any symptoms at all, and that is where it will progress to a chronic state without you even noticing. That is why it is good to always test yourself for hepatitis B virus. Another measure you can take to prevent yourself from hepatitis B infection is by avoiding to share sharp objects and also instruments that you use personally. Now, I want to draw your attention mostly to this particular area. You see, where our youths or adults and teenagers have it wrong is that most of us, we engage in sexual activities with a new or multiple partners without knowing their health status. Now, I want to encourage you that you know the health status of the individual you are in a relationship with, so that to protect yourself from this infection. And also, that is why you use protection whenever you want to have any sexual relationship with your partner. I remain your nurse, Ayuba Awat. Like, follow, and comment on my video. You can also comment on the topics you want me to discuss with you in my next video. Thank you and remain safe.